Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to format an external SSD on macOS. Here I've got a brand new Samsung T7 SSD and a USB-C to C cable, or you can also use a Thunderbolt cable. First, plug the SSD into your MacBook. Next, open Spotlight by pressing Command Space, type Disk Utility, and open it. Inside Disk Utility, click View in the top left corner. Then choose Show All Devices so you can see every drive connected. Now, select the SSD you want to format. It'll usually have a name like Samsung T7, Seagate, or WD. Click Erase in the toolbar at the top. Under Scheme, choose GUID Partition Map. Now the Format menu will show all options like APFS, macOS Extended, or exFAT. APFS is the newer, faster, and more secure format, best for SSDs. macOS Extended is the older one, good for HDDs. And exFAT works great if you want to use the drive on both Mac and Windows. I'll pick APFS, give the drive a name, and hit Erase. Wait a few seconds while macOS formats the drive. Once you see Operation Successful, you're all set. Now open Finder, and your freshly formatted SSD will appear right there. That's it! You've successfully formatted your external SSD on macOS. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more tech tips coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.